for downloading the DPR, you need to come over this website. Now, in this, you just need to click on the download for Windows. If you are having a Mac, just click on the download on Mac. When you click, you need to just sign in with the Google, and then you can able to download the zip file. I already downloaded, so now you can see that this is the zip file, and you just need to extract the zip file over here in your folder. So when you go to this folder, you'll get mainly the three things, which is DPR format, documentation, and our main application. For running our main application, you just need to open the application. That is one installation file, and that is one our application. So for running this application, you just need to set up some configuration and some installation. So for that, you just need, and that is for the only one-time setup. You just need to do this for the one time. So when you uh, right click and run as administrator with this installation file, it will ask for the permissions. You need to just click on the run anyway, and it will automatically install the dependency for our application in your system. It depends on the system, it might take a longer time. So now you can see the installation has been completed, and just you need to click on enter. Right now the installation has been completed. Now you need to just start your application. Again, start application with the administration.
Welcome to the demo of Smart DPR, a DPR which can update your Excel sheet just based on the voice and text commands. Now after downloading the zip file, you'll get the application. You need to open the application. For run the application, you need to set some configurations. In the configuration section, you can say that there is a 2 API key required. So for that, you need to click on the get token. It will redirect to that page. If you haven't logged in with the Google, then you need to just click on the Google login and you'll redirect to this page. Now at this page, just click your authentication token, paste it over here. Again, same for the Grok API, just click on the get API key. It will redirect to this page. Click on the API key. Write down your name. Here I am putting demo. Click on submit. It will reflect a new API key. Just copy that API key, paste it over here. Now you need to select which DPR Excel sheet you need to update. For that, just click on the select Excel file and select your desired DPR Excel sheet. Click on the open. Now after that, you just need to add authorized user, which user can able to update your Excel sheet. For that, I'm here putting name is Ashish, and as a location, let's suppose I'm putting here as a Ahmedabad, site number 2, and then I'm just clicking on the add user button. It will add the user. You can see the user has added here. Now if you want to delete any user or if you want to manage, then you can delete and do modification from here. Now click on the save configuration. Don't forget to save configuration after adding the user and every other details. Now after saving the configuration, you need to go at the connect devices. Here is the main panel which is providing you the password for connecting the users. So you just need to click over the start server button. If you are using the window, then it will pop up one command palette. You just need to minimize that window. Make sure you are not closing that window. So as you can see, we'll get the app password here. You just need to copy the app password and put it into the user panel. Now here is the user panel. You just need to click on the configuration setting. You just need to paste the password which you have copied from the admin panel. Paste over here. Just click on the connect. Select your name from the selected users. Let's suppose I'm here Ashish on the site 2. I'm selecting my name. Clicking on the save configuration. So this is the basically the chat which I have made it before. right? So now I can do the again testing. Let's suppose I want to do the updation of structural steel with the 30 kg. So I'm doing structural steel has been updated by 30 kg successfully, and then I'm sending it. So you can see structural steel has been updated by 30 kg successfully updated. You can also add the multiple things. Let's suppose 25 kg of structural steel has been updated, 30 kg of plaster has been done. So if you're missing anything, then it will say that okay, structural steel quantity is mentioned, but validation plaster quantity is mentioned, but need validation. So it means they can't able to find the plaster completely. So you need to mention which kind of a plaster. It means 25 kg of structural steel has been updated and 30 kg of plaster 12 has been updated. Now you can see structural steel is updated 25 and plaster work is updated with 30. So same as above, if you tell agent to update the quality, but the agent is not sure about the description, then it will ask for the validations. From the above, we can see that the structural steel, but agent was confused in the plaster. Which plaster? There's lots of plaster can be. So we need to mention that plastering work with the 12 thick. Now after this, we can see that how this sheet can be updated.
Here is basically a sheet. In this sheet, you can change your own description with this description section. You can put it your own descriptions. You can put it your own unit, POG number, whatever the things are there. You can change with your. Make sure you are keeping this date format as it is, and you can here put your plan quantity, and this achieve quantity is updated by our DPR. So here you can see that the excavation quantity is now achieved quantity as a 50 at 1st August. So basically what we have done is in log section you can see the logs which site engineer has updated which things. So here you can see that the Romil from Ahmedabad site 2 has updated the excavation by 25st, and then also uh, and when he has logged you can also see from here. You can say at 1 he has updated 25, and again at 1 and 15 minute he has updated by 25. So this is basically in the sheet. It's a auto submission. So first 25, then after 25, so it's achieve quantity is now 50. So yeah, and if you are putting today log, it means it automatically update in this. Let's suppose you want to update in 5th August, right? Then you have to mention the 5th August in the command. Otherwise, it will default. It will add on today's date. Now we are currently in the MVP phase of the smart DPR. We are basically open for the any feedback, any bug report, or any kind of the custom feature, or any kind of the request, or any kind of the modification you want to do. Here is the first MVP which we are launching, and any kind of the modifications is happily accepted from your side, or any kind of a user requirement for the real estate or any construction specific. We are here to help you, and we are ready to go with that niche. If you are having any kind of a doubt or any kind of a suggestion or any kind of a problem statement or your pain point which you want to solve, then please contact us. Here's a contact details which we have provided. You can do email, you can directly contact us via phone number. Thank you for using Smart DPR.